When you're in a financial emergency and need money fast, platforms like CashNetUSA can look like a quick solution, but the real question is it a smart choice or just another trap waiting to pull you deeper into debt? CashNetUSA.com is an online lending service that's been around since 2004 and is based in Chicago, Illinois. They offer installment loans and lines of credit to people living in select U.S. states. And on the surface, their long history and affiliation with Innova International, a publicly traded company listed on the New York Stock Exchange, might make them appear safe and reliable. They also offer customer support through email and live chat, and have a presence on social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram, which adds a layer of credibility. However, despite these seemingly good signs, many users have raised concerns. Common complaints include extremely high APR rates that can trap borrowers in a cycle of debt, hidden fees that catch you off guard, and aggressive repayment tactics that can cause stress and confusion. At the same time, there are users who say they got their funds quickly, used the loan to cover urgent expenses, and were able to repay without issues. So, while CashNetUSA might not be an outright scam, it's definitely not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a platform that exists in a gray area, legal and functional, but potentially harmful if you're not fully aware of the terms and consequences. This isn't a glowing endorsement, nor is it a total warning. It's a balanced look at a company that could either help or hurt you depending on your situation, financial discipline, and how well you read the fine print.